Differences between withholding and backup withholding. Withholding refers to the process of deducting a certain amount of money from an individual's wages or other income and setting it aside for the purpose of paying taxes. The money that is withheld is then remitted to the government by the employer or other payer on behalf of the employee or other recipient. Backup withholding, on the other hand, is a process of withholding a certain percentage of an individual's income for taxes, but it is typically done in situations where the individual has failed to provide their taxpayer identification number, TIN, to the payer, or where the TIN provided by the individual is incorrect. Backup withholding is also required when an individual has understated their taxes or failed to file a tax return in the past. 12 differences between withholding and backup withholding. 1. Purpose. Withholding is done to pay taxes, while backup withholding is done to ensure taxes are paid. 2. Eligibility. Withholding is done to all employees, while backup withholding is done to individuals who have failed to provide their TIN or have understated their taxes. 3. Triggers. Withholding is triggered by an employee's income, while backup withholding is triggered by an individual's failure to provide their TIN or having understated taxes. 4. Timing. Withholding is done on a regular basis, while backup withholding is done on an as-needed basis. 5. Percentage. Withholding is done based on the employee's income and tax bracket, while backup withholding is done at a flat rate of 24%. 6. Remittance. Withholding is remitted to the government by the employer, while backup withholding is remitted to the government by the payer. 7. Reporting. Withholding is reported on an employee's W-2 form, while backup withholding is reported on an individual's Form 1099. 8. TIN. Withholding is done with a TIN provided by the employee, while backup withholding is done without a TIN or with an incorrect TIN. 9. Purpose. The purpose of withholding is to pay taxes, while the purpose of backup withholding is to ensure taxes are paid. 10. Taxation. The taxation of withholding and backup withholding may be different. 11. Publicity. Withholding is more known to public while backup withholding is less known to public. 12. Legal regulation. Withholding is more regulated by law while backup withholding is less regulated by law. In conclusion, withholding and backup withholding are both processes for deducting money from an individual's wages or other income for the purpose of paying taxes, but they have different triggers, timing, percentage, remittance, reporting and legal regulation. Withholding is done on a regular basis and is based on the employee's income and tax bracket, while backup withholding is done on an as-needed basis and is done at a flat rate of 24%. Both are designed to ensure taxes are paid, but while withholding is mandatory and more regulated by law, backup withholding is done in certain situations and is less regulated by law.
Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.